Hello, Dimsdale. I'm Jet You Betcha with today's editorial, which technically makes it a Jetatorial.
5 people were injured when a helicopter crashed in a Huntington Beach parking lot around 2 p.m. Saturday. The crash occurred between Twin Dolphins Drive and Beach Boulevard near a hotel, with bystander videos showing the wreckage caught in palm trees. 2 people were pulled from the helicopter and 3 others on the ground were hurt, officials said. All victims were hospitalized with unknown conditions. The helicopter was linked to a Cars and Copters event scheduled for Sunday. Witness Timothy Bartlett, who filmed the crash, said the aircraft appeared to lose its tail rotor before spinning down. The FAA and NTSB have been notified, and the cause of the crash remains under investigation.